How to join a Discord server without invite. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I will be teaching you how to join a Discord server without invite. So let's begin right away. The very first step is to open your Discord app, but if you don't have the Discord app, you may also go to discord.com and simply sign in with your account. Once you have signed in, you may now go to the server section right here on the left pane or on the leftmost part of the screen. And then make sure to click on add a server right here. And then you may be able to see the create my own, the gaming, school, club, and etc. But we don't need to click on any of these since we only need to click on join a server right here. So click on join a server and then since you don't have an invite, what I would suggest is that you type in the name or the random name that you want. So you may type in https then colon slash slash discord dot gg and then slash again, and for example you can think of pizza, you may type in pizza or whichever name that you want. So you may also just type in pizza if you don't want to type in these long website or this long text. You may also do that. So for example, let's just type in pizza, click on join server, wait for it to load, and then as you can see, you have been joined onto this server right here. You may also do it again and again. So click on add a server, click on join a server, and then type in whichever you want. So you may type in macaroni, and then you may also type in um, apple juice or whichever you want. So again, just a recap, simply click on the add a server and click on join a server and type in whichever name that you want. So that's it. That's how you can join the Discord server without in. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.